Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we're going to build part 7-01, the cabin framework for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 7-01, the cabin framework. So we're going to start File, New, Part MMGS. We're also going to open up File, New, Assembly MMGS. So reason I'm doing that, let me just cancel that. Don't want anything to it yet. Let me bring over my blueprints, bring that there. We go down to, as you can see, we've got 12 pieces left, and then we can start the trailer. We're going to be doing assembly, so we've got 12 pieces left and the cab's done. Okay, so here, well, where are we? Nope, not that one. Next one. That one. There we go. So this is what we're going to be building. Now it's multiple pieces, so I'm going to build it multiple pieces. So we got here, let me just scroll across a bit more. This is looking from the back view. So we got like square pieces that's going to be 19 by 19, 2 millimeters thick, 12 by 12, 2 millimeters thick. That's pretty much there. And up here we're going to have angle line pieces. That's 12 by 12 by 2. It's going to be like an angle piece. 12 by 12 by 3. 12 by 2, it's the square tubing. And we're going to have square. And then it's going to have a flat piece around here, which you can see on here. And also, too, I noticed on here, this angle piece and bottom here is going to be right there. That's going to be actually, that's going to be cut into it. That's going to make it interesting. So I'm thinking I might start the front part here, which is the bottom part here. So I'm thinking I'll start that first, then we'll slowly build up. So let's start building. Okay, I'm going to start the lower piece, which is going to be, let me scroll a bit. Now I've called that the front angle 12 by 12 by 3. So let's do a top view, top sketch. So we'll align, go start there, go to there, touch that line, so curve it, and go straight. Now we want to, actually let me just, mirror it later. Let me do, this is going to be 144.5. There's going to be a radius of 112.5. And that's going to be so this point here and this point here will be 112.5 plus 107.5. Did I hit 7? No, I did not. 0.5. And this line and this curve will be tangent. Why is that still not? Okay, let me have the measurement down below. Nope, doesn't show. On tangent. Ooh. Actually, hold on. If we go, actually, I know how to do it. If we go to construction line, put that there. Now make these two parallel. So it means if I move one, the other moves. That's good. I changed the... No, still, I was to say, I thought it changed measurement. Now, if we go down the bottom here, so 334. Actually, I'm probably doing further. Oh, whoa. Oh, no, sorry, I made... Oh, no, I did make a mistake. 155. Okay, nope, I'm good. So if we do that point to that point is 155. And then, we're now sketch, measure. So this point to this point should be 334. And that don't look right. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to build... Actually, let me just delete all that. No, I'm not going to delete all that. Let me go construction line. Let me actually... That should be construction line anyway. Let me delete all that. I'm going to start again. My apologies. Let me go construction line. So we're going to start here. Go across. Curve. Thank you. Down. Straight. Across. I'm going to do the whole thing. No, that'll be just half. And then up there. There you go. That line should be vertical. Beautiful. This line here, let me go. This line here will be 334. You're across, there you go. Those two should be tangent, there we go. Bring that there we go, beautiful. Okay, now this line here is 144.5. What happened? Click it. Didn't click the line. 144.5. This dimension here will be 112.5. And then this one here will be 152. 152. What the heck just happened? Oh, I haven't done full measurement on this one. Okay. Let me do full measurement on this one. That's what happened. So let me add this together. 112.5 plus 117.5 plus 155 plus 152. There we go. Fully fine. Beautiful. So this point to this point should be 385. Let me bring up calculator. So 112.5 plus 117.5 equals 120. Oh, plus 237, yeah. 155. Oh, what's it? 0.5? Shouldn't be 0.5. Okay, hold on. Clear everything. Let's try it again. 112.5 plus 117.5. I think I pressed equal. Problem. 155 equals 385. There we go. 385. Perfect. So that is it. There you go. That's what we want. That's the shape we want. So, yeah, that's good. That's what we want there. So now let's do a mirror empty. We want that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. We don't want that one because that's going to be the mirror point to there. And done. There we go. Let me just put that one out there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There you go. If in doubt, go bigger than get moved back. So now we want to lay path here. You wouldn't put a path around, but I don't want the whole thing. Just realised that. Okay, so if we exit out the sketch, I don't want to lose that one. Now, if we go sketch again, let's do it on top of top sketch. We do want a center line, I believe it is. So 0.1 there to there. Do a circle, do a circle, do a circle. Thank you. To there and down to there somewhere. Okay, so that should be locked in. Yeah, it's locked in there. So if we do, I didn't actually have to do a mirror on this part here. It's a mirror on this one I want. That's fine. Insert, so it's going to be 117.5. So if we go from point there, 117.5. And that's what we want. Then that should be from there to there. Should be 150. Oh, no, it's not 117. My bad. My bad. Hold on. It is 117. That should be 155. Oh, no. No, that's wrong. Because I'm doing it from the point there. It is actually not. That measurement does come from that point there. So let me delete that one. If I can delete it. Oh, get a measurement. Delete that one. So I want this measurement on from this point to this point, which is 112.5 plus 117.5. And then that one should be 155. Perfect. Yeah, reason is, let me bring that over. Yeah, see, it stops there. That's where the curve stops, but the measurement is here, not where the curve stopped. So that's why I had to do that measurement there. Put you back. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got that one there. And then we go mirror. Actually, let me just... Actually, I think they've got to be lines. Yeah, if I'm actually running something on, there's got to be a line. So that should be not construction. Let me get out there. Thank you. Not construction and not construction. There we go. Now, let me do a construction on this one, though. Just down there is fine. Then if I go mirror, clear that one. That line, that line, that line. And then this one will be the construction one I put in. And done. Okay, so now let's exit out of that one. Let's now go to right plane, normal, sketch, and we want, it should be down the bottom. Yes, it is. So now we want to go a line. We're going to start there. We're going to go across, up. Oop. It's a little bit wonky. Let me fix this up. Let me get a line. That's going to be horizontal. Oh, sorry, vertical. Vertical. And the rest will be horizontal. Let's now do, that's going to be 12 by 12 by 3. That's going to be 12 mil. Oop. A minute. Let me just put this in there. 3 mil. 3 mil. And 12 mil. There it is. And change that to 12 mil. There we go. Now that should be done. Let me get out of that one. We want to go to Sweet Boss Base. And it's going to be on that line. That one, and that one, and okay. Why did that not work? Sweep operation failed to complete. What did I do wrong? Clear that one. We go there. Okay, I think I know what I did wrong. Okay, yeah, second. Okay, I think I know what I did wrong. Let me delete that one. I just press delete. Yes. What I need to do is go plane, that point and that line. Done. Input incorrect. Oh, what did I do? Hold on. Clear you. Delete you. Be putting that line and then that point. There we go. Done. Now if we go to this plane, we go to normal 2. Sketch. Let's do from there, up, cross, down, and across. Yeah, do that one. There was 3 mil, wasn't it? Oop. Yes. 3 mil. 3 mil. 12. And 12. And done. It is undefined. It's undefined. Oh, there we go. Me take that center point. Oop, go away. And join. Nope, don't want to join. Okay, let's put that back. Okay, see if that works now. Exit out that one. Let me zoom. Oop. So, there we go. Save document. So let's try this now. Sweep base boss. We got sketch layer. And we got the line there. Okay, I got working. What I did was shift click. Oh, sorry, I went out of it. Yeah, there's that one. We want that one there. Then we want shift click the line. Nope. There we go. And does whole on one go. Then click. There we go. Got it. Perfect. Okay, let me just okay that first. There we go. Let me hide you and hide you. And there's that first part done. Oh boy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this part here, the assembly. I'm going to add these in as I go. So you go there, beautiful. Right, don't need that one anymore. Let me close it down. The new part MMGS. And we're going to do the, let me bring that across. Oh, going to do, let me spin that out, thank you. Going to do these posts here because there's two the same, so we can place them in. That's going to be, they go all the way top to bottom. Now, I don't know whether they usually just sell on that, so they may be 2 mil shorter. So it's going to be the full width of that minus 2 mil because they probably sell on that channel. Don't know whether they cut it out or not. It's hard to tell. You know what? I'm going to come out. So that way everything's flush. So it's going to be full length, but then I'm going to cut the channel layout of that piece. It's going to be this piece here. And that is square tubing, 12 by 12 by 2. So let me start doing that one. I'm going to call that front support. Okay, so I'm going to go top plane, normal to sketch. So I'm going to do 2 boxes. 1, 2. It's going to be 12 by 12. So it's going to be 12 by 12. That's going to be 2 thickness and 2 thickness, 2 and 2. There we go. That's going to be a total of, we need to work this one out. Let me go down. There we go. Okay. Let's go right to the top, right to the bottom. So we want to go feature extrude. Don't think it matters, but I'm going to go mid plane. So it's going to be 26 plus 19. Oh, hold on. Actually, I think I'll go an easier way. Oh, 4 measurement there, so I just got an easier way. So 488. 488. 488. And done. Beautiful. Now the bottom here, I've got to cut out a slot. So let me go to normal. Sketch. So we go to square. Gonna be point there, go across, up, cross, up, cross, and down. Terrible again. Let me, line. That's gonna be vertical. That should be horizontal, and that one should be horizontal. There we go. Now we go 2 mil. Sorry. That's 3 mil, isn't it? 3 mil, yes. 3 mil. My apologies. 3 mil. 12. Oh. Yeah, I can't change that because I got that. I locked that in accidentally. So there you go. Let me delete that one. Let me do that again. I wonder why that was showing as defined. 12. There we go. Is it 12? Yeah, it's 12. Yep. I think it's bigger. That's right. That's good. That's good. The piece, the bottom piece there, which is 19 by 19. That's what I was looking at. So that's good. That's defined. So now we go to edit, extrude cut, through all, and done. There we go. And that should be, yep, see that's there, beautiful. Go back to this piece. It's now mate. No, not mate, sorry. Yeah, mate. Insert. We need insert first. So we bring one over here and one there and done. Start this one first. That's mate. The base there. With the base there. Okay. Zoom out so we can see where we are. There we go. Oh, no. Rotate. That one there will go to... Oh, I'm out, mate. Sorry. Mate. It didn't go invisible. That's what confused me. There. There we go. That's showing a line. That means that's perfect. Excellent. Let's do that one there. Which I think I'll tell you what you would do. Nope, oh, not there. Bottom one. There. Oh man, I'll go mate again. Don't remember it being going out that easy before. Okay, there we go. There. But we want to... Actually, no. Leave that one for a moment. So this one here and this one here. Really. Does it again. That one there. But I want to rotate it. There we go. And done. Let's go top view. Top normal 2. That's looking good, but it's got to come down to the center point is 155. So, where's measurements gone? Smart dimension, there we go. So that there to... Ooh, I should have had a center point in that. Let me go back to this one. Let me go to top plane, normal. we're going to put a box in. Sketch. Thank you. But we're going to change to this one. Center point. There we go. That point, actually make this box construction. The whole thing should be construction. Nope, just that one. Actually, hold on. We don't need a box. We don't do that one. Let me just go to construction, center line. That's all we need. To there. And there. There we go. Got center line. Let me just delete that one and that one. There we go. Save that. Go to that one. Thank you. We should have. Yep. So we've got a center point there now. I can't grab. Actually, doesn't. Can I grab the center point? I can't. Okay, let me try something. Let me go to trim. If I trim those two and that one, that's the center point. Exit, save. Now, I should be able to access that point. I can now. Excellent. There we go. So now let's go smart dimension. Top one to that point. It's going to be cannot be placed in existing view. New will be created and named as. Okay. Okay, see what happens. Okay. I can't. I can't change the value. $115. $112 means. Why is that? Why is that $250? That's weird. Yeah, something's not right there. You put you back there. Let me try something. Let me do a center point. Oh, hold on. I'm an idiot. Let me go back here. I want. Let me delete that sketch. Delete that sketch. Delete. Let me hide you. Actually, I just viewed you. Oh, I mean, mate. I should be using mate. My bad. Okay. So 112.5. It's going to be this point to that point. And it's going to be. As mate break other mates to satisfy it. Really? Hold on. Why is that? Something's not right. Let me open this one back up. Let me go top view. Let me go to Create Sketch and do a cell line from there down and put one across there. Let me delete that one. You do that point to that point is going to be 112.5. That's right. And 117.5. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, I'm going to leave them there because that might come in handy. Probably I'm measuring from there to there, not there to there. So if I put you and you as, I'll stop that, mate. Put that point and that point as there. Why'd that break? Undo that. Why does that break that? That should just join up there. You think? Oh, that's on different. Oh, it's probably because it's on different. It's on different fields, so. Okay, that makes sense. So can we insert? No, let's insert. That one insert. Layout. Let me do center line from there. Let me do center line. Oh. Yet center line is going to be top plane. There we go. From there to please put that in a moment. And then that's going to go straight down to there. That lock in? Yes, it did by the looks. So that one there will be that one. If I put these two as join, nope, didn't work. And now I can move across. Okay, so I've tried different things. I've just eyeballed it myself to put on there, so it was there. And I tried different things, it kept on failing, so I'm probably missing something so simple. But if you know a way to do it, let me know, and I'll be happy to share that with you. Actually, that's not the right one. Let me do go back in the other one and go to sketch, and again put the instruction line in here, And just link it to there. It doesn't have to link to there, but I did. Exit out. And just eyeball this in. There we go. So that's that one in now. Let's start there. So now, and do the top frame. I believe the top frame's just the sheet metal, yeah. The sheet metal, which is 2.5 by 26. Before you do anything else, let me hide that one. There we go. Oh, and there's it's hidden there too. Oops, save all. That way it's hidden in there. Not getting too much stuff in the way. Okay, so now we want to do the top part. So again, probably open up this one. What's this one? Let me close that one down, just get out of the way. So this one here. Oh, not that one. I have all the full thing. Oh, that one. Okay, let me just close that one down. Yes, save. Gonna open up new one. Part MMGS. We're gonna call that one the top. What do we call the other one? 7-01. Front angle, front support, no front angle, front front plate, which is 26 by which is front plate 26 by is X thank you by 2.5. Okay, I had to look around. I couldn't find the part I'd done before. I don't know what I did it or what, but let me create this one again. Practice the top sketch. So we want to go to center line. Going to start there, go across, curve, down, and go away. Actually, this should be. Yeah, it should. I think it's right. There, curve a bit, and there. There we go. And actually, let me put a center line in so I can just see where it is. There we go. So this is going to be curved. Let me do this one first. That's going to be what? 144.5. That's going to be 112.5. You put that on horizontal. Sorry, vertical. No, horizontal. Right first time. Sorry about that. It's going to be 112.5. It's going to be 144.5. Could have mirrored this, I know. Let me go full out. There we go. That's going to be 334. Really? Oh, no, not. Okay. That's why I went weird. 334 plus 334. There we go, it's better. Now I want. What? that one to be 334. There we go. Better. It's gonna be 152, 152, 2, 152. That line, that curve's gonna be tangent, and same for this line and this curve's gonna be tangent, tangent, and tangent. There we go. Now full height will be full. Oh, not height, full depth. Okay, doesn't give me a full depth. I'll go add it together. No problems. We'll start from here to there. There's going to be 155 plus 117.5 plus 1112.5. There we go. And that's fully defined, I believe. Yes, it is. And that is good. Okay. So the part we want is going to go from here all the way around to there. It's different. I think it's right. Yeah. All the measurements right. 112. Let's double check this. 144.5, 112.5, 152, 385, 334, 668. Yep. So that should be correct. Okay, so now I think we need to change them into not construction. That one, that one, that one. It'll probably easy to just do this. Click, shift, click, highlight them all, and not construction. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so let's go out of that one. Now, we need to go to feature, reference geometry, plane. We want that point and that line, so make sure I've got the right one. Okay. So now we want to go to this plane, normal, sketch. We want to do a box. It's done. Oh, no, not that box. That box, corner rectangle. So it's going to be 2.5, 2.5. Just double check that. Yes, it is. And then it's going to be 26. There we go. And done. Okay, so me hide this plane. Let's get out of the way. Let me now go to Sweet Boss Base. So we want that one and shift that one. Oh, open. Yeah, see, problem is it's in the wrong spot. Cancel that. That's what I thought. Let me go back to the sketch, edit. So this point and this point is going to be joined. I can't do it. Dang it. Me unhighlight the plane. Can't mid. Yeah, see, I got a feeling on that point there. It's not the. Ah, wrong one. I can clear all. It's not the plane point for some reason. Can I grab the plane point from here? Yes, that's the sketch. I don't want sketch. Let me hide the sketch for a moment. You hide that sketch for the moment. Can't. That's interesting. I'll get that sketch. Can't get center point for the sketch for the plane. Interesting. I thought you could. What's next? YZ. Oh, that makes it interesting. Okay, let me unhide that. There we go. So if we actually have a center line to there, now if I now grab this point and that point and go join, it goes the wrong way. Let me try the other way. Let me go this point to that point. Oh, that point to this point. Why does it always go that way? That's so weird. Oh, well, another. There we go. Clicked on. Exit out. Let me bring that one back. Thank you very much. Now, let's go Sweet Boss Base. It's going to be that one for the pattern and this one for the line. Let's do Shift and done. Me highlight, hide that one and hide that one. There we go. If I built this as one model, it would have been probably a lot easier, but on them separate pieces. Okay, so now we bring that in, insert. There. Got to be top of that one to the top of that one. Oh, mate, that does help. Now, this way, this should be a little bit easier. Why does make them just do that? Why does it do it now? Mate there, mate there. Okay. Yeah, this is where this should be easier. If I make this one with this one, that should be good. So if we go to top lane, normal, there you go. Look at that, beautiful, fits in perfectly. Oh, let me zoom that around a bit. Sorry. There we go. That's perfect. That's coming together. Okay, so we've got the front part done. Now we're going to do the back part. But before we do the back part, we're going to do back supports. That way the supports go down, then we can build the others on. Let me just have a quick look. Yes, that's the front done. Let me bring this over. So that's the part we just done there. Two supports. Oh, sorry, that's the part we just done there, sorry. Two supports that. So now we're going to do the other support. That way it's clicked in perfectly. Then we're going to do the bottom one Oh, we got to actually cut that piece out there first, like there. So we'll do that one. So we'll probably put, do that and cut them first. That way we get them the right way. If we put it and cut it wrong, then we've got, it could be one cut this side, one cut this side. So we've got to make sure it's rotated, ordinated properly, correctly. So let's do that one next. So that's going to be 19 by 19 by 2. And it's going to be 448 with a piece cut out. Too easy. Actually, it's just, oh, whoa. No, it's not the same because that's 12 by 12. That's right. So it's pretty much going to be the same piece but bigger. Let me bring this back over here so I can see what's happening. Okay, so let's go to that one, close it down. We don't need it anymore. A new part MMGS. Okay, let's go top plane. Sketch. Gonna be 2 boxes. 1, 2. So it's gonna be 19, just double check, 19, yep, by 2. So it's 19 by 19 thick with, 19 by 19 square with a 2mm thickness. And that one, done. That's going to be a extrude of 488. It's going to be mid-plane. Okay. Then we go to there, bring it, let's see, normal to sketch. There's going to be a cutout of, make sure I don't click on that one like I did last time. Of an L shape. That's going to be 2mm, 12mm, 12mm. That wasn't too bad. Wasn't too far off that one. And 2mm. There we go. Yep, that's pretty much what we want. Feature, through cut, through all, and okay. There it is there. Beautiful. Okay, let's pop over the assembly. Let me pop around here. Let me just check something up top there. Yeah, that goes right to the edge there. So it's easy to put on. Cool. Insert. So we want 1. Oop. Got to click that thing. But you got 2 more. There we go. Now when we put this in, we've got to make sure this is, the cutout is facing in, outwards. Like that one. Okay, that's good. So that means this, let me go, mate, that face there will be on this face here. That's good. This face here, the top face, come on. I'll zoom a bit more. Oh, there we go. We'll scroll into this face. Then this. What's that change? Never used to. Just click OK and made it again. I don't know what's changed on that. Those 2 are there. Perfect. Just make sure. Yep, the cutout's there. Now this one's got to be opposite way around. So I want this face to this face, but I want that flipped. There we go. Flipped weirdly, but flipped. Okay, so now we want that face to that face, perfect. Oop. There we go. Now we want, is there a shortcut to that? Doesn't say. Face to face, and done. Okay, if we go to front, sketch, normal to I meant. See, that is in line with there. So that's good. That is good. Now, let me have a look at something on top. Oh, yep. Actually, something I just realized I need to change. Let me just save that. Let me go to close that one down. Let me go back into this one. Open you up. I realize this is actually cutting the angle there. So if we go to top plane, sketch. So if we grab a rectangle, click on there, bring it all the way across. Now if we, let me bring that back a bit, there we go. So I can grab that point and this point to make it joined. Now if we go to feature, extrude cut, through all, done. Oh, hold on. Through all, that helps, done. There we go. Now it's flat. So yeah, that's got a flat surface there. Okay, it's easy fix. And we go top view, top, no, normal to, thank you. There you go. That looks a lot better. Yeah, that's square going in. Now we need to build this plate next, which is angle, pretty much straightforward. Okay, that's the easy one. We go back to, oh, I got one up, that's right. New part MMGS. I'm going to call that back angle, and that's going to be front plane, sketch. Let's do a line from there to there to there to there, oop, there, and there. We don't need to do a path on this because it's straightforward. It's just pretty straight. Smart mention, so missed 12, 12, 2, and 2. And that's going to be extrude 152 mid plane. Don't think it makes much difference this one, but I'm going to do it anyway. Thank you. Now we're going to go into, now if we put one in and click, if we hold shift and drag, nope, sorry, not shift, sorry, control and drag a second piece across. There we go. We close that one down. I can reopen it if I need to. Oh, we scroll wrong way for some reason. Okay, so now we want to go mate. Gonna be that side. With that side. That face, I meant to say. With that face. Oh. Yeah, never used to exit out like that. I'm not used to it. Oh, nope. Nope. Let me clear that. That face with that face. I think it worked out the same, but I just want to make sure. And then we're going to have that face with this face. There we go. perfect. Look at that, beautiful. Yep. That looks weird, that, but that's how it is. Do the same with this side, so we want face, mate, sorry. Gonna do this face first. Edge, I don't want edge. Clear the edge. Thank you. I want the face. That one. Do that one, but I want to flip the alignment. Okay. Let's do that face with that face. Perfect. Then I want that face with that face. Yep. And done. There we go. That's looking good. Let me zoom out. F. Okay. That makes it easier. Let's now do probably the bomb beam. Yeah, I'm going to do the bomb beam first. And then we've got, actually, bomb beams actually twice. So probably do that one. Then I'll do the third beam. So we're going to do the bomb beam here, then one up here, and then the mill beam. So let's go new. Part MMGS. It's going to be save. SAS001. It's going to be 19 by 2. Going to do that one, but it's going to be back cross support. There we go. So let's do right plane. The reason I'm doing this one, not the center point one, is I don't want all the extra lines in there. It just makes less clutter for me. Now it's 19. You use the other one, that's fine. Yeah, it works the same. Has its uses. I do use it. I prefer just use this one. It boils down to preference, and also when you need to use it. So it's all 19 by 19, 222. And that's a width of, what is that width? Okay, it's going to be extrude, mid-plane. It's going to be 334. So 668. 668 minus, was that 19, wasn't it? Yeah, 19. So 19 minus 19. Okay. Let me go to the other one. Back to the assembly. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, I hit it accidentally. Okay. Try that. I wonder where it went. Okay, we're going to put that in, click that one. Oh, click that one would help. So we want one down the bottom and one up top. Okay, that one's done. Now, if we go to mate, back to that one, beautiful. So this one does add and feed mate. Used to be an add on there. I don't know what happened to that. That's right down the bottom, right? Yes, it is. Flush to the bottom. Mate that one. one there. Let me zoom in so I can get the face. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Wrong one. Delete that one. Could have been that one, sorry. But why'd you flip? Flip the other way. Thank you. Yeah, that should be... Yep, that's looking good. Not got there, is it? Why is there a gap there? Ooh. Okay, let me just go sketch. Nope. Layout. Nope. Evaluate. Measure. Why is that one green? Oh, let me unhighlight that one. Thank you. Measure that point to that point. 488. Okay, that's 488. Why is there a gap there? $630. Hold on. What? Oh, wait, that doesn't make sense. Hold on. That doesn't make sense. Oh. Why is that? Okay, let me measure that point to $632.48. Why is it? Interesting. 63248. Oops, sorry. That one. 64328. Six 632. 63248, was it? Sure, write it down. Nope, that was wrong. What was it? To that one. To that one. 630.48. 630.48. $630.48. There we go. There we go. That's a little bit out. So I remember that later when we put in the truck, we got to adjust something. That's weird. Wonder why it's like that. Oh well. We adjust as we go. Okay, mate. Gonna be the bottom of that one to the bottom of that one because that's pretty much bottom all there. So that's good. So there's that one in. So let me go to mate. Base that one to base of that one. Mate. Outside face to outside face. Now this one we've got to do a little bit differently. It's going to be dropped down by 26. So we want this one, 26. Or you can do the top of that one to the bottom of that one, but I'm going to do the measurement. So that one to that one. There we go. So if I do normal, zoom in. See the bottom of that, the top of that one is the bottom of that one. You could have done that way too, but have the measurement there. I want to do the measurement. Okay, it's come together nicely. We want one more piece, and that's done. Yeah. We close that one down. Actually, what's the measurement of that one again? Copy that. We close that one down. New. So we want to save this one. It's going to be 7-01. It's going to be the back cross support, but it's going to be 12 by 12 by 2. 12 by 12 by 2. There we go. We've got right sketch, 2 squares, but pretty much exactly what we've done in the other one. 1, 2, measure. So these can be 12 by 12. Two, and 2. There's no way you can do it. You can do like a fillet, so not fillet, offset entities. I think you can do that. That worked that way. I just saw that then. So it's going to be, that one's good. It's going to be extruded out by that measurement, but mid plane and okay. Save that one. Now put this one in. So we've got mate. You only want one. This one, so that goes about there. So let's go to mate. Face to face. Mate. Face to face. And that's going to be... Oh, hold on. That's 2 of them here. Okay, sorry, there's another one below there. Okay, so before we lock that one in, let me put another one in. I forgot about that. That's going to be down here. So let's make that one in first. It's going to be against that one. It's going to be mate. That face, that face. Okay, thank you. Then we got mate. Nope. Zoom in. That face with that face. Nope, not that face. That face. Dang it. That face. Thank you. Clicked on the wrong one. Okay, so now we want to do a mate of 117. 117. Oh, 117. Always miss the first number for some reason. Like, doesn't register. Okay, so we want that line to, or that edge, sorry, that edge. Yep, down low, that's good. And done. Let me try to get a bit of angle on this. There you go. That's that done. That's part 7-01 cabin frame work done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. That was interesting. That was fun. Actually enjoyed doing that. Bit of a headache to start with, but it was enjoyable. So just make sure. Yep, looks like everything's there. All right, so thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Got any suggestions? I'm always happy to learn from you guys and girls. I'm always happy to share anything I learn back to you, so do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode, and thank you very much for watching.